somewhere between checking your phone in the morning and scrolling past another overnight millionaire story. A quiet question forms in your head. If I already have 250,000 invested, why doesn't life feel finished yet? Here's the shocking truth most people never hear. $250,000 doesn't make you rich. It changes how dangerous your decisions become. And that's why everything shifts at this exact number. Up until this point, money feels slow. You save, you invest, you wait. Progress is invisible. But at around 250,000, something strange happens. Your portfolio starts moving faster than your paycheck. A calm market day can add $2,000, a strong month can add $8,000, and suddenly your brain rewrites the rules. It whispers, "This is real now, you've arrived." That whisper is the beginning of the most expensive mistake most people make. Here's what few people talk about. At 250,000, wealth becomes emotionally loud. Gains feel personal. Losses feel threatening. And most people respond by doing the exact wrong thing. They start touching the system that finally started working. They celebrate unrealized gains with very real spending. A 12,000 vacation justified by a green week. A car upgrade because the portfolio can handle it. But the market doesn't care about your celebrations. Paper gains vanish fast. Lifestyle inflation doesn't. What makes this stage brutal is leverage without awareness. With 20,000 invested, mistakes are annoying. With 250,000 invested, mistakes are timeline killers. A single emotional decision can erase 3 years of compound growth. And here's the part nobody warns you about. Your confidence grows faster than your skill. You survived a few dips. You feel smart. So you start believing discipline got you here and intelligence will take you further. That belief quietly destroys more portfolios than crashes ever did. Then comes comparison. This is where the pressure spikes. Someone casually mentions they crossed 500,000. Another brags about a 7-figure crypto win. Your 250,000 suddenly feels small, and the mind panics. People don't want slow wealth anymore. They want acceleration, they borrow. They speculate. They chase high-yield stories instead of protecting their compounding engine. The irony is painful. This is the exact moment when patience pays the most, yet impatience feels the strongest. But something powerful is also happening under the surface. At 250,000, compounding stops being theoretical. At an average 8% return, your money can grow roughly 20,000 a year without extra effort. Then that growth starts compounding on itself. The second 250,000 often arrives in nearly half the time of the first. This is where wealth begins to pull you forward instead of you pushing it uphill. Quietly, relentlessly. There's also a hidden upgrade no one talks about. Options, not luxury options, life options. You negotiate differently. You walk away from bad jobs. You choose equity over salary. You stop making decisions from fear. And that psychological freedom often increases income faster than any aggressive investment strategy ever could. The real transformation at 250,000 isn't about doing more. It's about interfering less. Staying boring when boredom feels irresponsible. Protecting momentum when temptation feels logical. Understanding that every dollar lost here doesn't just disappear. It steals 4 or 5 future dollars through broken compounding. If you treat this milestone with respect, not excitement, you cross a line most people never do. The line where wealth starts becoming inevitable. Not flashy, not loud, just unstoppable.